So hey guys, it looks like Google might be releasing its very first foldable phone this year. We even got a sneak peek of the new Google Pixel Fold. You know how it goes, Google's leaks are pretty common before a new product launch. People recently spotted the Pixel tablet in Italy at a design show, and now a video of the Pixel Fold has surfaced. So we have already caught glimpse of the Pixel Fold through fancy renders, a dummy model and some actual photos from the wild. But today's video is a real deal and shows us the most detailed look yet of the Google's debut foldable phone. The video was shared by a developer who has been known to spill the beans about the unreleased Pixel phones before. The devices consist with what we have heard before, so it's looking pretty likely that it's a real deal. Apparently, the leaked detail revealed that the inner screen of the device measures 7.6 inches and features a 120Hz OLED panel. Notably, the screen has relatively large top and bottom bezels, with the top bezels rumored to house a 8-megapixel camera. Interestingly, the screen's information has been intentionally obscured, perhaps to conceal the identity of the source that leaked it. While the display is active, the squeeze is hardly notable, but when it's turned off, we can see a slight fold that adds character to the device. What's impressive is that it folds pretty flat, indicating it uses a water drop hinge. As we explore the exterior of the device, we catch a glimpse of the outer display, which is said to measure 5.8 inches, although it's not on. The bezels look thinner and we get a sneak peek of the 9.5 megapixel camera to the tiny hole, promising to capture amazing photos. So it seems like the much awaited Pixel Fold has been center of attention lately due to several leaks. Word on the street is that Google might drop a teaser for it in the coming weeks, and it's highly anticipated that the official announcement will be made during Google I/O on May 10, along with the new Pixel 7a and their new tablet. Fans can't wait to get their hands on it, and if all goes well, it will hit the market on June 27th. So what do you think about this Pixel Fold? Let me know in the comment section below. With that said, subscribe if you like, and I will see you in the next one.